fresh homemade fries in the Omnia stovetop oven. Is it really possible to make real, fresh-cut fries in the Omnia? Not frozen, not pre-made, but from raw potatoes. In this video, I show you exactly what works for me, and I compare them to fries from a regular oven. On the right, the regular oven. On the left, the Omnia. Hi, I'm Ma, and I love cooking in our bus camper. Today we're making fresh fries in the Omnia oven pan. These are organic potatoes from the local market. I scrub them clean, no peeling. For this recipe, you need the Omnia and the perforated baking tray. The holes are small, the fries won't fall through. If you use a rack, add baking foil on top. For the regular oven, I use baking paper. Method 1. Pre-cooked fries. Cut the potatoes into fries, about 1 centimetre thick. Place them in cold water for 1 hour, then rinse them. Bring a pan of cold water to a boil. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. They should feel slightly flexible, but not break. Drain them. Let them cool completely. Now method 2, raw fries. These are not pre-cooked, just rinse them and dry them very well. Let me show you the pre-cooked fries. See? Slightly flexible. Now coat the fries in oil. I use peanut oil. It handles higher temperatures and has a neutral taste. Make sure every fry is lightly coated. Then toss them in a few handfuls of flour. Repeat this for the raw fries. Place the fries in the Omnia, on the baking tray. Both ovens are not preheated. Set the regular oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the Omnia on high heat. After about 5 minutes, reduce the Omnia to low heat. Bake for 25 minutes, then increase to medium-high for the final 5 minutes. Here is the result. On the right, the regular oven. On the left, the Omnia. Both are crispy, but if fries touch the wall of the Omnia too long, you may see darker spots. So shake the pan once or twice during baking. Personally, I prefer the taste from the Omnia. Now I repeat the full process with only raw fries. Total baking time, 40 minutes. 5 minutes high, 30 minutes low, 5 minutes medium-high, and look at the difference. The regular oven fries look pale. The flour forms a dry layer. The inside is dry, but the Omnia fries are crispy, golden, and full of potato flavour. Good luck with your Omnia cooking, and I'll see you in the next video. Ma.